Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the resolution of your TV if the screen is black on your PlayStation 5. So a lot of times you might have like a black screen issue, and it's because of the resolution. So you connect your PS5 to a new TV, and it doesn't work because the resolution is different in the settings than the TV supports. So what we want to just go to the front of the PlayStation, and you can see mine is turned on right now. I'm just going to hold down the power button, and I want to completely turn this off. So let's hold this down right now. And I'm going to hear one beep initially, and then I'm going to hear a second beep. And we want to completely turn off our PlayStation. Now, go get a USB cable and plug in your controller so we can operate the safe mode menu. So you can see I got this plugged into the back of my PS5 Pro. The light is blinking, it should turn off. Now, we don't want it in rest mode. If it's in rest mode, it's not going to work. We need it completely turned off. And then hold down the power button again when it's completely turned off. You'll hear that one beep, and then you'll hear a second beep, like maybe 5 seconds later. And then I can let go. Press the PlayStation button on your controller, and you should be able to operate the safe mode menu now. So let's go back up to the TV. Here's my TV. Let's press the PlayStation button, and then go down to change video output. Change resolution. My PS5 will restart. And we should see things on the screen now. So it lowers your resolution to like 480p. So I don't know, if you have a TV from like the 1980s, you should be able to see something now. And this will start up now. My PS5 is connected. It's at 480p at 60 hertz. And it says Game Masters turn on standard definition. And then we can select automatic. That's probably the best thing to do. And I'll automatically select the resolution. So I'm going to choose that. So let's press the PlayStation button on the controller and turn my controller on first. And then go to automatic, and it will automatically decide what the resolution is, so you never have an issue again in the future. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.